Complexify your rap. By the way, I know that's not a word. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Let's say you have a beat around this speed. Quarter notes. Ba, 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 eighth notes. Ba, 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 16th notes. Ba, 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 ba. This is where your flow's naturally gonna sit. Na, 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 na. But what if you want to bring a bit more speed and intensity? What options do you have? Well, if you're Buster, Twister, Eminem, et al., 30-second notes. Or 16th note triplets. But if you're not them, what can you do? You can actually bring some of those 30-second note or 16th note triplets into your flow. Now you have something that's got a bit more energy but is a lot more doable. In music theory, we might call this rhythmic embellishment, ornamentation, grace notes, appoggiatura, or acciaccatura. Basically, we're taking the finer subdivisions and adding complexity to our straight rhythm in order to add vitality to it. Now, it doesn't necessarily make your verse better. Complexity of rhythm tends to take the focus away from the lyrics and put it onto the delivery. If you've got a message you really want to get across, you have to be careful with this and err on the side of simplicity. I'm going to demo a few bars using a straightforward 16th note based flow. Then, using roughly the same lyrics, I'm going to demo a few complexified bars. That's with the addition of the 30-second notes and the 16th note triplet so you can hear the difference.
I got no borders. Dealing metaphors, rawness. Rhetoric, self-betterment, it's evident I'm flawless. Don't question who the strongest. If you do, then you was bonkers. You was free to believe what you want, at least realize what wrong is. Top of the morning, I got range, bro. My talent's broadest. Everything you do the same, bro. You be conformist.
All right, let's complexify.
I got no borders. Dealing metaphors and rawness. Rhetoric, self-betterment, it's evident I flow on a flow that is flawless. Never question who the strongest. It's me disagree, then you bonkers. You free to believe what you wanna believe, but at least know what wrong is. Top of the morning, I got range, brother. My talents are the broadest. Everything y'all do is the same, brother. It's corny and it's conformist.
Did you prefer the more simple rhythms or the more complex ones? A few rappers I love that do these kind of technical flows are Tech9, Crooked I, Yellow Wolf, and M. Let me know who your faves are as well. I'll be in the comment section. Let's have a chat.